Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We'll be covering this torn socks. So you can see we have to take the stitch and then we have to put it like this. So you can see how we are putting these stitches over these socks on the sides. So it's kind of comb stitch on the sides of it. So you can see we are putting it one by one. We'll be covering the threads from the other side as well and cover the between space all together by putting the threads. You will get a beautiful thread work also over the socks and it will look more beautiful and creative. So you can see you can make your boring dresses beautiful like this with the help of the threads. It's done. Next we have to take a t-shirt or a dress with long sleeves. Fold it like this and then we have to put these stitches over it like this. So you can see how we are putting these stitches and then put it from one side to the other like this and put it one by one. So you can see how we are putting these stitches and then cover it like this. So these are the normal stitches we are doing. Now we have to take another yellow color thread like this. Now we have to put it from the between as shown in the video. Put it like this. And then we have to stretch the threads by putting it in the between. So you can see how we are bundling the threads and making it a star stitch. So you can also make it directly if you know it how to do. Otherwise you can try these stitches or pattern to make these star stitches and look how beautiful it's looking. Next we have to take a t-shirt. We have to draw a line over it. Now you can put the threads like this. So you can see we are putting the running stitch over the t-shirts and then we have to put it like this all over one by one. So we are making it in a zigzag way. So you can see how we are covering the stitch. So we have to make these zigzag ways over the t-shirt and then put the running stitches all over. Now after doing this, at the end we'll be keep following these stitches till the end as shown in the video. So now after that you got the desired result. We have to put the threads like this. Now after that you have to stretch the threads all together and it will get a bundled look in the between like this. And it's done. I hope you liked it. You can try it at the sides of your tops to make it look more beautiful and stylish. Next you can take a torn cloth and then you have to put the threads like this. So you can see how we are putting the threads on the sides of it to cover it. Make the star like shape or the star out of it by putting the threads. So at first you will think we are making the star, but we'll be covering it. At the end you'll get a beautiful snowflake out of it. So you can see how we are putting it like this. Put the stitches, pull out the needle from the other side by putting it from the one side like this. So you can see, perform these stitches very carefully. Do not hurt yourself and work very carefully with the needles and cover these stitches one by one like this to make these star stitch and cover it into a snowflake at the end. So you can see how we are doing it. Keep doing it till the end and then cover the stitches like this. Now after that we have to put the stitch from the top as well and it's done. Next we have to take a mask and then we have to put the stitch over it like this. So you can see we are making the V-like shape and then take the red color thread and then we have to roll it to make the knot-like shape. So we are making the cherries. So you can see how we have done it and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.